Haven't gone to the bathroom yet because Mateo's in there.
Oh, yeah.
I'll wait until he comes back. And then hopefully it'll be empty when I come up.
Oh, you can dessert.
Maybe it's my fault because I had 2 fraps.
Maybe.
And so much water.
You've got 2 of the Galaxy, which does this cool little jiggle that I really enjoy. It's seriously delicious.
Yeah, I don't see the jiggle.
Oh, I see.
I do.
Oh, maybe I wasn't looking hard enough.
Everything's still going well over here for you? Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Very welcome.
Delicious.
And is you all set with that fish?
I
think so, yeah.
You done with
Take this definitely empty plate. And this definitely empty plate, and then I'll come back.
that? You might need a fork.
You might want to take this plate.
Certainly, thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
And are you still working, miss?
No,
Oh, I thought it was me. I'm like, yeah, I'm still working.
Oh, thank you so much. You're very
Thank you.
welcome. Is there anybody want coffee or anything?
What?
Just the desserts?
Oh, do you have any plain coffee?
We have regular coffee. We also have Greek coffee.
I'll try the Greek coffee, please.
Oh, that's very strong.
Okay, it'll be fine. I once had 3 energy drinks at once. I'll be fine.
I know what you mean. I used to drink the Monster Rehab like it was water.
Ooh.
5 a day.
I believe the 3 energy drinks I had were all Rockstar at Rob's Grease Hots.
Whoa.
Oh, and when I was done with that, I slept for like a week.
You slept for a week.
Not continuously, but it really did feel like it.
Oh my
It was an exorbitant amount of sleep.
Was it good then? Is it cinnamon?
Yeah, it's good.
Can I taste it?
Sure.
Is it cinnamon on it?
I didn't eat
Yeah.
that because I forgot to finish my meat first.
There's at least cinnamon around it.
God, it's a lot of coffee. I think you should probably ask Mom if things are okay before you order it.
I know. I'm a little worried about the amount of caffeine.
Well, at least they're not energy drinks.
Yeah, but you should definitely ask Mom before you eat.
Does water dilute caffeine?
Not too much. Wow. I'm gonna be full.
I'm gonna smell this.
I'm sorry, honey.
Oh wow, it smells good. It's like a pie type thing.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
What's wrong?
But you can't have any.
Any baklava?
Stop. You want to try any of the nut mixture? Or peel off some of the crust.
Do you mind if I could have some of the baklava? If
You can try it, honey. Sure.
you can't have any of the baklava, Brianna? That's
She doesn't eat gluten, so she can't have it.
if only they made gluten-free baklava.
You probably can.
Wow. I'll try some of this first.
Were you done with this? Yeah, so I thought you were. But...
Now I don't feel
I
like I
think
have
she
to go to
was
the
like-
bathroom.
She was like, "Are you done with that?" And I'm like,
Oh, what does she mean?
Are you all set with this?
yes, thank you.
If you could get it out. Yeah, so.
Oh, awesome. Here, try.
Thanks.
Mateo, do you want some of this baklava? I probably shouldn't eat it all.
I'll have a taste if you.
I'm like, I probably should not eat it all because I'm like,
I wonder if he bakes it all too.
what's that?
I'm
I probably shouldn't be like, here you go. I'm like, I probably shouldn't be eating it all.
So is the jiggle custom?
The jiggle, that stuff is good. Oh, whoa. It was delicious.
There's somewhere in the world somebody's eating the exact same thing I'm eating right now.
You're probably right. Yeah, probably in Greece for sure. Probably somebody's dining in there.
Somewhere in the world, somebody else is always doing what you're doing right now. Always.
Exactly. Oh, yes.
There's over 7 billion people. For it to be otherwise would be impossible.
Wow.
With that many people in the world.
What was that thing called again?
A lot of burrito.
Does it mean like Jello?
I have no idea.
That's good.
Does it mean vanilla custard?
It is good.
Did you snap it okay?
It is. Good. Hey, look what we're eating.
Our server said the Greek coffee is really strong. Is she referring to the taste?
Probably
Or-
both.
What?
Probably both. Probably both the taste and the caffeine content.
Oh, how is it really strong? Is it as strong as an energy drink?
I don't know. Generally, espresso has a lot of caffeine content in that.
Yeah, you're preparing to ask me anything.
No. Interesting idea, though.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Did you get a Kainos?
Excuse me.
You burp.
Yes, I did. But it's okay, I said
Because-
excuse
you
me.
looked it up on the...
No, it's not. It's on the board by the front.
Okay.
They took my forks.
My mom was like,
I have a fork.
Been a fork.
That's okay, Tyler.
You were over there. Can you eat it without a fork?
Yeah, I can eat that.
Oh wait, I think I used that one. Okay, I don't think I used that one.
Oh, thank you.
How is your Pokemon Go game going?
It's going good, Tyler.
Have any of your Pokemon leveled up recently?
Yes.
So,
So you guys have been...
I might have accidentally made you 2 different checks. One that's all the dinner and one that's the dessert. I don't know if I can combine them. Can I bring you 2 if it's...
Okay.
Alright, I appreciate that, thank you.
Wait, say, is the Greek coffee coming up?
It'll have the Greek coffee on it too. Just another moment.
Okay.
Does this mean we're gonna get 3 checks?
We have a good sense of humor here.
Usually you're funniest when you don't try to be funny.
It's true.
So never try to be funny is the general rule. If you never try to be funny, then you will be funny.
I guess so. You're very amusing, so. And you're very funny, so.
I learned that from an episode of Arthur. Watched that on YouTube.
Oh, yeah? That's cool.
It's a vanilla custard.
That's
That's all I
good.
can tell you.
Excuse me.
So you want a garbage play after this, right?
Not today.
No.
You out of your mind?
Okay, let's put
It could be right there on the table. Really pretty coffee.
Yeah, for sure.
I wanted to get like Greek yogurt because we're out. at Wegmans. And like just probably like food.
Oh, what?
And just like because we're out of fruit now too.
And you can't food.
Aren't we out of Propel too?
And water.
And water.
We gotta get some Propel. 3 things of it. You have your car, right, Mom?
Bless you.
Thank you. I'll have to check and see if I've been to Harbor Hots before. Probably have, but if I haven't, then we could go there next. And if I have been to Harbor Hots, I'll look for another Hots place, and we could go there.
Or we should just go to the best place. Or the original.
That's true.
The original place would be more accurate, in my opinion.
That's right.
An important lesson to remember is that the most popular thing isn't exactly the best thing.
Oh, that's true.
My most popular Dan Hamming episode is the SCP episode.
Yeah.
And while it is a pretty good episode, the Secure, Contain, Protect. It's SCP is a part of internet lore, kind of like Baldi's Basics and Bonzi Bunny. And
Is the back of that good one?
and YouTube poop.
What? I've never heard that before.
YouTube poop is when you edit is when you take video game footage, video game cutscenes, movies, TV shows, and you edit the footage in various ways
Oh.
to try to make jokes, to try to entertain
Why would you
people.
wanna edit a video game.
No, not the video game itself, just the cutscenes, the footage of all the cutscenes.
Okay.
That's what it's called.
Okay. Well, that's interesting. I feel like it's taken me 5 hours to eat today.
5 hours.
Oh, well.
Thank you so much. This was so good.
Thank you.
Thank you too, Mom.
You're welcome, dude.
I've been craving Greek food.
Have you?
I have.
Do you think we'll be going to the Renaissance Fair this weekend?
Saturday I got practice.
What about Sunday?
What's Sunday? 22nd?
I think it might be.
Oh.
I mean, isn't today the 18th?
Well, we could see what's going on there.
And today would be
So if
Wednesday.
we're going to go, we probably have to go, right? This weekend? Is that right?
Yeah.
Mateo, will you be here next weekend or no?
Just this upcoming one.
Oh, good. Oh, okay. Then if we want to go to the Renaissance Festival, then it has to be Sunday, because it's only on the weekends, because otherwise you won't be able to go. So we should Google it and see what you guys, see what we want to do the most. I know you said you want to go to a park, like, you want to drive down and go to, like, Stony Brook or one of those places, or you want to go to just a local park up here, or what do you want to do?
I mean, whatever ends up happening, it happens. I mean,
I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. If the checks come, please save them for me so I can film them,
Oh,
okay?
you want to film them? Okay. Bottom, he says.
What?
He said, there's a liquid on the bottom, do not drink that.
Why?
It's sludge.
It's Yeah.
Ooh, that doesn't sound good. What do you mean by sludge?
It's the same thing. Espresso does the same thing. You never hit the bottom of it.
Okay,
You'll see when
where
you're
are the
done.
checks?
Whoa. They're here. Why are you paying?
No, I wanted to film them.
All right.
I didn't bring any
He's a
money with.
blogger. So if you want,
That's
if you
okay.
want some good publicity,
Oh, are you the owner?
yeah, this is.
You
yeah,
mind
this
if I
this
mind
is
if I
Jeff.
film you?
No, you do whatever you like, my
To
friend.
film you. You're gonna be
Hey Jeff, you made a nice restaurant.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Yes, it was very nice, wasn't it, Tyler?
Yeah.
We've had now 3 food blockers coming in.
Oh,
They
really?
didn't say nothing until they were done.
Oh,
I said, what are you going to do, stick me now? I didn't.
Oh,
so,
no.
so I not at all. I said, we're walking out of here full. We have a to-go bag because we couldn't
Yeah,
finish it.
it's
Blah,
good.
blah, blah. I mean,
It's
so
really
that
good.
was good. What else? Now they have one, like a food critic for breakfast buffets. So we started a breakfast buffet last Saturday. So Saturday and Sunday. So they didn't come in.
Oh.
Because I made sure I checked everything. But when they do, I would say, go ahead, enjoy. You know, everything's on there. And we're adding to it every week. So
I know that looked good too.
it's a lot of food. A lot of food.
oh, this is good coffee.
That'll be good. Is that good coffee, Tyler?
Yeah. Would you consider me the third food blogger?
Oh, you're the fourth.
Well,
You might be the,
you're
you
the
might
fourth
be the
one.
fourth.
Fourth?
But the other ones do it for a job. That's their job. I mean, so they get paid to do that.
Wow. He just does it. He likes to go to restaurants. He likes
To different
Hey,
places.
that's the best thing to do.
So,
It's best to go to local
some restaurants would
places.
appreciate it, some won't. All depends on what you eat.
yeah, he likes to do it. So it's very good. It's very good, right? Let's see. Have you tasted it? I bet that'll put some hair on your chest.
And then some.
The Greek coffee?
Yeah.
Which one do you like better, this or the frappe?
This.
There you go.
Really? Because you're
It
thinking.
is good.
You're probably thinking I can stay up now for the next 3
Oh,
days
man.
working on all my video things that I create. Okay.
But see, now this one here, it's not brewed, it's cooked.
Huh, do you think I usually don't have to go to the bathroom a single time when I go out to eat. Do you think this might be my fault because I had 2 Jimmy Dean sandwiches for dinner and then 2 more
And then
right
2
before?
frappes.
Two
Yeah.
It seems I don't know how to defrost the Jimmy Dean sandwiches. There was a layer of ice in the middle of the last 2 Jimmy Dean sandwiches I had.
That would kind of add a little crunch.
Oh my gosh. I have hurt my
What did I say? Am I trying to what?
Would you like some more iced tea?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
She doesn't want to be going to the bathroom either.
I don't want to be heading to the bathroom because we're going to go to the beach. So we're like, that is very funny. I'm like, okay. That's funny. Excellent. How funny, my dear. But it was very nice service. And everything was really good.
Yeah. My favorite thing about this whole place is the food. It's really serious.
How funny.
Yeah, the food is good.
It's very good. And this is the chef, right?
You know,
Owner.
I'm used to having plain coffee. I think I would have it every day for lunch back when I was in high school.
Wow, that's good.
I can hook you
You're
up with a
upset.
bag as soon as my shipment comes. And the bag,
bag?
will probably last you a couple months.
Ooh.
Because everything's already ground.
I had to give up coffee. It keeps me
And
awake.
basically you have to buy a bricky. That's what it's called.
Oh, it's
It's a
called a
little
bricky?
cooker.
Ah.
So you add 1 teaspoon in it, fill up with hot water, stir it, cook it. When you see it start to froth, start to come up to boil, you pull it off. You let the thing settle back down, then you put it back on. It's double hitting it, so it gets most of the sludge off the bottom.
Ah, okay.
And then after it's hit, then you pour it in and you're done. Now, as you're drinking and talking, blah, blah, it'll start to go back down. That's what you dump in. If you do, I mean, you're going to be wired for sound.
Oh.
So,
Oh, if you drink the sludge, you'll be super wired.
oh, and then some. And then some. But like this here, I'll have that in the afternoon. It's better than that 5-hour energy. That stuff's nothing compared to Greek coffee.
Oh, you might be right. I had 5-hour energy when I was in. I had 5-hour energy. I think at least 2 times nearing the end of my second semester here at Brockport.
Yeah.
I didn't feel anything when I had 5-hour energy.
And you'll feel that.
Yeah, I'll be like, whoa.
I'll feel the Greek coffee.
Yeah.
You mean I'll feel jittery like?
Shaky.
Lord.
Well, I had
Like
2
coffees.
I had 2 fraps before this.
Oh, the fraps I enjoy, especially now. It's
Forget it. I'm not taking your pulse.
awesome.
You can go ahead and do that if you want to.
I don't have my watch.
I saw you were enjoying the band now.
I did.
How's
Yeah.
it going?
Well, we haven't played out yet. We're probably going to play out like maybe once a month.
You can beat me
Twice,
tonight.
but-
Still curious.
What?
You can beat me the race
Yeah, just on Tuesdays, and sometimes I fill in for my boss. He just had a death in his family, so. So,
I don't know if that would be a good idea. If caffeine increases your heart rate, exercise will increase it even more.
You're not sure. Yeah, I was wondering, but I was like, oh,
I told him I'm not sure either. I told him. I said it's kind of a different type of place.
It kind of
Greek coffee is good, though.
I was like, this seems kind of like a more,
You at it?
you know what, I reserved.
Must have.
But yeah, I'm in a band, so I mean, if you wanted to do it, I could do like a special occasion.
Coffee is good.
Yeah, he wants, because all the old people that I used to have are all asking.
Oops.
Come on, Jeff, tell Jeff to hook up.
Did you drink the sludge?
I think I accidentally drank a bit of sludge. Hope I'm fine.
Now you can sing.
I should be fine. There's some water.
Because I can close the doors to the dining room, and you're gonna have to start like 8 o'clock. You know, it can't be any early because it's my dinner time.
I thought the sludge was only on this plate.
No, that
No, I think they come.
Oops.
drink all that?
No, I didn't drink all the sludge. Just some of it.
Anything like that, just
That's
yeah.
okay.
I told them the same thing.
If you wanted to do that, let me know. But like I said,
You look good,
I am
Ty.
in a band.
Thanks. Do you want to film me for a minute or two?
Yeah, but
Okay.
congratulations.
Yeah,
Yeah, but you like that better anyhow.
I do.
I know.
You're right. I do.
Hey,
Looking sharp.
You know I do.
how you feeling?
Yeah, it's shotgun.
I'm feeling good.
So it's cool.
That's the name of the shotgun.
You drank some of the sludge?
Yeah, it was an accident though. I
September.
didn't do that on purpose.
Good. How are you
Show me a peace sign.
feeling?
Yes. That's
What?
our first-
Show me a peace
that's our
sign.
First
Your fingers.
outing.
A peace sign, isn't it this?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're doing like.
And this is known as the OK sign. It's controversial in Brazil. So
Wait.
Why is it controversial in Brazil?
because it doesn't it's a different culture.
Mm-hmm.
Here in America, this sign means I'm okay, but it doesn't mean that in Brazil.
What does it mean?
Yeah. It was
I think it refers to the glutamus maximus
Oh.
in Brazil. I think that's what it refers to here in Brazil. I'm not
Is it like
100%
would know
sure.
nice
his face,
glutinous
but I wouldn't
maximus?
Oh, I call
Or
him the
Oh
man.
wait, is he in a wheelchair?
Yeah, he's always.
No, I don't think it refers to that. At least I'm not sure on that. I think it just refers to glutamus maximus.
I got it.
Here
Can you
in
say that
Brazil.
again, Ty?
I think in Brazil, this sign means glutamus
It
maximus.
worked out really nice.
Oh, that's good.
Different countries have different cultures.
What are you talking about? She's laughing.
Oh yeah,
whenever
you
she's-
hit the sludge.
Oh, he did.
Yeah, I can
It was
see
an
it going
accident.
down.
It was an accident.
How's it taste?
It was kind of powdery, but it was fine.
Yeah, but it's a sludge. I knew you were gonna hit it.
Oh my God!
Nice to
What's
see
nice seeing you, Jeff? We'll be in again.
You'll be wired tonight.
We'll be in again.
Thank you.
I'm gonna drop them off here about 12.
2 fraps and a cup of Greek coffee. And I was told that the Greek coffee is very strong.
Yeah, I would say so.
Are you good,
I
Ty?
think he's about to have that out-of-body experience.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. I think I'll wait a few hours before I check your pulse for you there, sir.
okay, you can check it right now if you want, just for fun.
That's all right. I don't have my secondhand watch on me anyway.
Oh wait.
I would
I can
have
give him
to
my
use
Fitbit.
my.
Oh my god, Ty.
Wait, Tyler, wear my Fitbit and see what it tells you.
All right, all right. How do I put it on? Oh.
How do you put it? Oh, you're putting the watch on?
Can you please help me put it on so I put it on right,
Yeah,
so I
I
can
gotcha.
get the pulse right?
Why are you borrowing your? Oh, does that
It
take
has
his
the pulse.
pulse?
It does.
Oh my god, it's one of those things. Oh my God.
So all I've done is been sitting here, getting up only to go to the bathroom, which I've only done 2 times. So I've gotten minimal exercise.
So you've got minimal exercise.
You still filming, Brianna?
I am.
That's funny.
Okay.
Alright, let's
He's
just
gonna
leave
be
it on
like,
for a little
"Whoa."
bit and see.
Okay.
Does it have to be like tight or anything to pick up your pulse?
I'm not sure. This one is kind of. It is kind of loose.
Kind of loose.
It is kind of loose. It might still be.
That's
Oh, it's
funny.
going up.
Uh-oh, I'm sure it is going up. His pulse is probably like skyrocketing. Like, whoa.
Alright, wait, let me tighten it for you.
All
It
right.
actually doesn't seem too bad. It says 63. That's good.
Yeah, isn't that a normal?
Yeah, that's normal.
Oh, police.
Flip your wrist.
His pulse is only 60 something?
What's that?
I don't know about
Yeah, I
that.
know. That's shaky.
I would be
Alright,
like, my
let's put it on
pulse,
on your
my
left hand.
pulse would be like,
The one with the bracelet and my left hand?
Is this not your left? Oh, my bad.
How do you
What's
feel?
that? Oh, it has to be on his left in order for it to work?
No.
I've never put a watch on someone else before, and it's confusing.
It is confusing, isn't it?
How much time does it take for caffeine to kick in?
Probably not too long. I mean, if you were eating food, it would take like about 45 minutes to get to your digestive system. But since it's a liquid, I think it would be like
There you go.
before that.
Nice and snug.
Okay, thanks.
All right, let's see what happens.
Huh, so far it
Really?
only says
So far
66.
it's only 66? How can that be?
Interesting.
I haven't done any exercise.
Yeah, you just downed like how many milligrams of caffeine?
That's
I
probably a
don't
good
know.
sign. It's a healthy heart.
This isn't like the time
Yeah,
we
we'll
went to.
recheck that in about an hour, dude. I'm gonna go to. Are we all set? I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I think. Does anybody want to go to?
I
Since
should
we're gonna
probably-
be on the walking on the beach.
I should probably go to the bathroom too.
I should. Well, I already went to the bathroom 2 times. Can I have
What's
the
that?
camera back, please? Oh, this is probably the longest I've been filmed going out to eat. I like how my head turned out.
Yeah, your henna turned out really good.
That's good.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Hopefully it's
Brianna,
still there a
you guys
week
wanna
from
come or
now.
not, or if you want to wait outside. or what you guys
I'll go to the bathroom too, actually. Once you're done.
want? Okay. Are you guys gonna wait outside? Or you're gonna wait here. Don't forget your towel.
We should probably wait here.
Okay. I'm gonna find a bathroom. I think it's just this way, Brie. Okay.
She's just like, oh, let's make plans.
Okay. You don't be really tough.
Can you check it?
Uh-huh.
Let's see. I don't think she wants the rest of this right.
So you had fun today?
It's all on video.
What?
For sure.
I just thought it'd be funny if I just.
Would you be in the mood for ice cream?
Tonight? I'm not sure. I haven't.
Where would we be getting ice cream?
There's an Abbott's right there.
Well, we could get ice cream if that's what you want to do.
I probably don't really want it. I probably just want Greek yogurt with chocolate. I just love Greek yogurt.
If you look closely, you can still see the fly I'm filming. I'm shaking the camera pretty bad. I don't know why. I don't even see my hand moving that much. You know, when I stop having my elbow on a surface,
Oh my god.
flies on the window now.
Oh, my friend Alex. My friend Alex's mom has breast cancer. And apparently his aunt just passed away.
That's not good. Not at all. You know, there's toothpicks in the bathroom, and I saw a picture of a marble. I believe it might be a marble bust. Of a man. I'm not sure which man though. Could be a Roman emperor, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's a bust of Nero. Do you know who Nero was?
Oh, it's a god, isn't it? A goddess?
No, not a god. The Roman Emperor Nero.
Oh, Nero, yeah.
I think the picture, the framed picture inside the men's bathroom, might be of the Roman Emperor Nero.
Yeah.
I think.